Hi, this is Rob from the Pleasantville Farmers Market, and thanks for joining me for a market moment. Today I'm going to show you a really great approach for making vegetable slaws just in time for July 4th. Mayo heavy slaws are really not my thing, and I wanted to show you today an alternative that's very, very fresh and light. I learned this recipe, or variation of the recipe, from a chef friend of mine who specializes in Indian cuisine. What's so great about this recipe is that most of the work can be done ahead of time. So here are the ingredients: sliced white cabbage, some sliced red bell pepper. You can certainly use green bell pepper or yellow. Sliced red cabbage, grated carrots, dried coconut flakes. You can also use shredded. Cilantro, ground dried cashews that have been roasted first and cooled. Then I used a spice grinder to grind these to almost a powder. Minced jalapeno, sliced radish. This is a neutral oil. This is canola oil. Ground turmeric, brown mustard seeds. You can certainly use yellow mustard seeds. Salt, of course, because you always need salt. And some limes to squeeze over the salad at the end of the recipe. I'm just going to take most of these ingredients and combine them into this bowl right here. So I wanted to show you this technique. It's called tempering. It's used quite commonly in cuisines of Asia. So I'm preheating over medium heat about a teaspoon of oil, and I've started it in a cold pan. So the oil is just about ready, and I'm going to add the mustard seeds to the pan. Shaking a bit just so they're in an even layer. And we're going to wait for two things. One, you'll begin to smell the mustard, and two, they're going to pop almost like popcorn, and that's when you know that the mustard seeds are almost ready to come out of the pan. So that's exactly what you want. Right there. You see they're popping all over the place. So quickly add the turmeric, swirl it, and then you're ready to add this right over the cabbage. One of the best things to use is a rubber spatula, so you really get everything in there. So it goes right over. Then after that, we're going to season it, salt, and we're going to squeeze juice of, I'd say, a whole lime for this quantity. Good. Okay. Notice I didn't toss it before, but now is a really good time to toss it. And you can see that the turmeric is giving it a nice yellow hue. And that's it. What's so great about this salad is that you can use all different kinds of vegetables. I happen to have these on hand from the market, but you could use lots of different hard vegetables. You can pair them with different herbs, cilantro, basil, mint, parsley, different spices. Cumin would be great in this. You should definitely check out Spice Revolution, one of our vendors at the market, and she has a fantastic array of really top quality spices. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon at the Pleasantville Farmers Market.